Yes, I have like a 90-something Lincoln Continental. How much would it be for a starter?
It would take about an hour to replace for you. It would be running a total of $318 and 63 cents.
Holy shit, fuck that.
Now you're gonna want to go ahead and make sure you take your battery off the cable. Here we got a 97 Lincoln Mark VIII. What are we doing here, Chase?
Today we're gonna be replacing a goddamn starter.
A start. To get to that starter, you're gonna wanna take that passenger side tire off.
Yep.
Go ahead, Chase.
Okay. Alright.
Here you have your starter.
The first connection I took off the starter was a 13, and then the second connection I just took off was a 10 millimeter.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna put the extension on, put this 10 millimeter back on the extension, and try and get to this starter.
You're shooting for the bolt towards the rear end of the car now?
Yeah, towards the oil pan now.
Alright, well then you're definitely gonna need this. So once you get the starter out, those are the 3 bolts, all 10s. Take it back to AutoZone and get your core check. We're now leaving AutoZone and we got a new one. 80 bucks. It's a value boy.
Bought with 100% integrity.
But it's got tape. Go ahead and grab a pack of anti-seize. Put them on your bolts so they don't ever get stuck again. Alright. Go ahead and put your new starter in. Go ahead and put your connections back on.
He's got to get in the car.
Put that goddamn key in the ignition. And what does she do, Brian?